Hey guys, welcome back. Today is one of my favorite products that I've ever bought. It's these outlet covers for the outlet that's in the walls that are actually a night light. And I've got one here. It's actually by a company called SnapPower. I've got a little guide on here for the, like I said, SnapPower. It's kind of the original guide light that they use. Right now they've got a 5-pack going on for 65 bucks. You can get different styles if you've got the more elongated style. Go ahead and select the other one. Kind of they call that the duplex because obviously you got the two there. And you can of course change your colors from white to light almond, ivory, and even black. You can buy these single-handedly. Of course, they're about 15 bucks. They do give you a 13% savings right there. And but yeah, nonetheless, SnapPower. There's a couple other companies I'm sure that have done them now. But here's an example of it. Here's the back of it. Of course, it's literally that's all it is. There's no touching the wires, anything at all. You literally unscrew the screw, take this off, and pop it right on there. As they say, SnapPower. Wonderful name, absolutely perfect. So what this is actually doing is making a connection on the inside of this and actually is stealing some of that electricity, and it's allowing to power these 3 LED lights that I have. And I'll show you literally how easy this and quick this can be. So we're gonna go ahead and just back out this screw from the original outlet cover that's in here. Pop it off, there you go. And as you can see, like I said, these little connectors are going to make some connection to those wires, and of course if we were to touch those right now it would give you a nice little shock, I'm sure. That's where it's all at. I bought some night lights before that have been built into the bottom parts of these. I still have this outlet here, but this would be a night light, and I would have to, you know, unscrew these, pop this out, deal with the ability of getting shocked, which is not fun, and then backing those screws out so that you could take the connections off the white and black you know, electrical wires that are to that. And like I said, you have a very high chance of getting shocked, and those weren't very fun to install. And then I found these, and these are one of my favorite products I've ever owned. They got a new and improved one where it's a solid light on the bottom. It's a solid LED, so what you'll see is as soon as we snap this, you'll see the 3 little lights come shooting down. And these are great for hallways, great for kids' rooms, bathrooms. So we love having it around, and it's you know, you're not having to plug anything in. It doesn't look goofy there. This looks like an incredibly professional product. So literally we're going to take it right here right now, line it up of course with the screw hole, and before we punch it in there, of course it's going to we'll go ahead and tighten it down so we can show you a bit. Yeah, let's go ahead and pop it on there. Boom. All right, that will work, but it's actually got this little light sensor right here right now. There we go, you saw that. I'm going to go ahead and cover the light sensor and the lights come on. Absolutely an awesome product. I can't imagine that it's costs hardly anything to run either, you know, electricity wise. Of course, throw these in the drawer in case ever, you know, this goes bad or anything, but like I said, it's an LED, it should last a heck of a long time. So yeah, we'll go ahead and back it out. I'll show you. You know, we're gonna cover the light sensor, and of course it comes on. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and put this make this a little tighter so we don't have any wobbling going on. But like I said, I'm gonna take you off my head real quick, and I'm gonna hit the light in the hallway because that's currently on. Turn it off. Of course, there it goes. So these do run pretty much. You know, it's about 1:30 here in the afternoon, so I imagine you know, we're still getting plenty of light from the bedrooms, and these are still running on. And like I said, these are not costing us anything to hardly run. So I mean, but look at that. That is absolutely a phenomenal product. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's literally one of my favorite products. I have them in every bedroom, every hallway that they run, and it's great for us. We give her a little night light for the dog. She goes you know, bathroom in the other room, so she can have a little light. We put one by her food, so I know that they can see better at night than we can. But of course, it's I still like to pamper them a little bit, let them have it. So I absolutely love having this when guests are over. They you know, that you're not having to throw night lights in there, you know. But anyway, yeah, that's the SnapPower outlet plug-in. Absolutely love them. Hope you guys like that one. If you guys like it, of course, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us and everything. So yeah, another video down, and I can't wait to do another one for you guys. See you guys.